So in this VistaCreate tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to animate text here on VistaCreate. So once you have VistaCreate open up on your device, what I want you to do is to actually go to the top left here and press on text, or go to the left hand side and press on text right here to add some text into your document. So I'll just go ahead and press on text right here. I'll then make it a little bit larger, and I'll just change the word to animate just so it's more in line with the theme of this video. So once the text is here and you want to add animations to this or animate the text, is super straightforward. I press on text right here, go to this top bar to where it says animate. And if you press on animate on the left side of your screen right here, you can now add some animations to your design. So you can add, the move right here. You can add fade. You can add scale, shake. There's flash. There's wobble. There's zoom, and there is spin. You can change the direction as well. You can play around with it. You can go vertical, whatever the case may be. You can change the delay, play around with it. It's super straightforward. But regardless, this is how to add animation to text or animate text here on VistaCreate. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.